Okay, so this is video E. We're just finishing up getting these gears ready. So I have this insert that notice I can't. It's the flat side here is parallel to the flat side there, so I can't rotate it independently of the gear. Um, I have the axes lined up, right? And so now I just want to constrain it so it's flush up against here. So I'll pick this face right here, and then let's see, I just want to zoom in a little bit over here and pick this face right here, and that's what I want. So now we can see that that insert is in there properly. So I'm going to do the same thing with these other two, but on this one I'm going to um, put remember that this insert just had the round, not the square here. So I'll go ahead and pick that axis, right? And then I'll zoom in back over here. And again, I just want to make sure I get the right axis. So there's the axis that I want right there. And I'll accept that. And let's see where that other, um, so that's down here. So I got to bring this down over here. And then what I want to do again is I want to make that face parallel with, say, that face right there. Okay, so we'll accept that. And then I'm just going to drag that out a little bit. I want to take this face right here and make that flush with this face right here. Okay, I'm going to turn off the visibility on this temporary axis just for a minute, so just to make it a little easier to see. All right, so what do we got now? All right, so we have that insert is flush up against there, and if I look in this, so if I pick on this face right here, I can hit this little button here, and that you can see that's lined up okay. And then on the other side, so if I do like shift and do the left arrow here, I can rotate 90 degrees. Okay, and so here's the other side with a square insert. Okay, so at this point you should be able to go ahead and put the inserts in the other two, right? So we still have these four inserts here, and you can put one on each side of those gears.